we have a big kitchen, which is what my heart wanted from the very beginning. It has helped me celebrate holidays, birthdays. It has helped me celebrate many things. So I'm going to show you around. On this side, we have one of the most important things that we use every day, and it is our espresso machine. This was a custom built drawer around our espresso machine, so we're very, very happy to have it, and I can't imagine living in this rig without it. And in this drawer we have bowls, lots of baking items, measuring cups, very necessary. And in this drawer we have silverware. It's almost like a junk drawer, but it holds a lot more spices, and this wasn't actually enough room for my spices because I love baking. So this was one of my requests, was to have a spice drawer, and it has tea, lots of spices, because we love diversity. This is why we're traveling, to taste the world one country at a time. This is really convenient because right here is where I need all my spices. We love this stove and oven. We bake cakes, we bake bread, we even had turkey, stuffing, you name it. This is wonderful to have while you're out in the middle of nowhere. Under here we have pots, pans, a blender. We have been just finding little tiny places to put everything. No space wasted. In fact, we have a little place down here that we couldn't even put drawer slides. We have magnets even holding some of these doors because we wanted to use every little space, and successfully we are shoving even yoga mats, jump ropes. We love this. We love the accessibility. For quick, easy access, we have a drawer here that has all of our utensils that we cook with, pot holders, knives. Really nice to be able to close it away, make sure everything's safe while we're driving. And these boat latches have been amazing. They haven't let us down yet. No knives have come flying out. And we've been very fortunate to have all this storage. This is our hot water heater, and we do have a switch that turns on for it. And we can control how hot our water is for the sink, but also our shower, which is really nice. Up top here, we have our plates and our bowls, and we had to kind of improvise and use some containers so that our cups would not break. And I actually made these, and I'm really proud of them. We have our coffee hopper and a lot of baking items up here as well. Our flour cabinet. I love to bake, so this is a necessity. We love fresh food as well, so we do have all of our cutting boards here. This last top cabinet here holds actually a lot of stuff. Soups, condiments, basic ingredients like garlic. And we have peanut butter. Peanut butter is most important. This is our amazing sink. Alex found it, and we have loved it. It's the perfect depth, and it actually has a place you can set a pot on top to fill it, or if something's hot and you need more room, it's a great place to put things. And this drawer here holds some scrubbers, you know, those little things that you could just sneak in there, and it doesn't take up too much room. Alex's drawer here, and a drawer for our soap, and a lot of other bottles and so forth. This last piece down here is our fridge. It is a Dometic dual zone fridge. It has a freezer and a fridge, which is really wonderful. It's on drawer slides. Sometimes we actually have a lot of ice cream in there. Sometimes we use it as a seat around our table, as a third seat, which has been very nice. And this concludes our tour of the kitchen. And in this drawer, we have drawers. Hold on, we don't have drawers in here. That's this one. Okay. And in this drawer, we have bowls, lots of baking things. Sorry. I can't even. Let me try again. Take 17. And in this drawer we have bowls, lots of baking items.